So this is kind of difficult to see clearly on the video. The backyard is absolutely swarming with dragonflies. It's like a cloud of them, just flying all around right in our fence area. And I was out mowing, and I was trying to just like be casual about it, but it got so bad I got freaked out and stopped the mower and came in. And now I'm just trying to capture this on video. I don't think it's gonna do it justice. There is just this enormous swarm of large dragonflies, large, like 3-inch dragonflies. They're I mean, I can't really estimate, but I'm gonna say there's hundreds of them, if not more than that. And what I'm interested in, beyond the kind of slightly creeped out factor, maybe more than slightly, is one time a few years ago, Velma and I witnessed a swarm of dragonflies like this spin themselves into a vortex, which only lasted about 20 seconds. And we later found out that this is a this is a known phenomenon called the Dragonfly Swarm that only happens very rarely and fleetingly, and there's very few visual records of it, evidence of it. And given the sheer number that are flying around right now, I wonder if we might not be building up to something like that. Or maybe we just have a million giant bugs flying around our backyard in a way that is extremely cool and creepy at the same time. Nice thing about dragonflies is they're very good at not hitting things. So even though I was mowing and they were all around me, they weren't really hitting me, they were flying around me. But all I had to do was look up and see how many of them there were, and I just was like, oh my god, I have to get out of here. So anyway, trying to get the lighting right on this if I can, so you can see them. That might be a little better. There are so many of them, and they are pretty much, it's interesting because they're like sort of all inside the fence. And they did not seem at all bothered by the mower, which is kind of strange because it's super loud. So maybe they will turn themselves into a little dragonfly vortex again like they did a few years ago. I don't know. It's really, I mean, it's just I don't know if they all just hatched or what. I mean, they couldn't have all just hatched because they're big. So I don't know what's going on, to be honest. But it's not something you see every day. It's just nutty. But none of them are coming too close to me, fortunately.